Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ASTI. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I've done this one a couple of days ago, so that's where these red and green lines are coming from. But after today's nice price movement, there's definitely some updates here that need to be made. The first thing I'm going to do is just get rid of this green line down here. Yes, that still pertains to the chart, but in the spirit from a presentation standpoint of not wanting a million lines everywhere that can cause clutter and confusion, just want to try to keep this as clean as possible. The nearest term the nearest term support, which comes from our initial update, is just based on a foundational principle which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So this will mean a little bit more to those of you that watched the video from a few days ago, but hopefully for those of you that do remember, you remember me talking about 0027 as resistance, but now that the price is above it, you would want to see it act as support, and so far so good. You can see here on the back test, the price did indeed find some support right there. So yeah, best case scenario going forward, you definitely want to continue to see the price stay above there. If it doesn't, not the end of the world, because you still do have the 50 period simple moving average, which is that purple line right there. And as you can see, it's kind of like a tread line for lazy people, meaning as time goes by, this quote unquote tread line is going to continue to draw itself for you. And as long as the price remains above there, that implies that the price is staying above an uptrending trend line, which therefore implies that the price itself is also in an uptrend. And that's what you want to see from a bullish perspective. Now, what about areas of resistance? If this upwards move is going to continue, where are some of these battlegrounds at? I'm just going to focus on one level because to me at least it's kind of really in your face, and that's right here at 0032. I'm sure if you were watching level 2s today, then you remember just multiple times, especially this morning and then early afternoon, bulls tried multiple times to try to get above there and then stay above it and just couldn't quite do it. So 0032 definitely the current and near-term level of resistance going forward. But at the end of the day, very nice day, and as long as the price keeps on putting in these higher lows like it's been doing, long-term chart's going to continue to build this uptrend and take care of itself. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.